Do you know that the drinks you consume every day can either help control your blood sugar or cause dangerous spikes without you even realizing it? Diabetes is one of the most common health conditions today, and managing it starts with simple daily choices. One of the biggest mistakes people make is focusing only on food while ignoring what they drink. In this video, you'll discover the top 5 best drinks that can help stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin response, and support overall health. Starting with number 5, herbal tea. Herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, and ginger tea are excellent choices for people with diabetes. They are naturally caffeine-free and contain compounds that help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Inflammation is closely linked to insulin resistance, so reducing it can help your body use insulin more effectively. Chamomile tea, in particular, has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels and improve sleep quality. Good sleep is very important for people with diabetes because poor sleep can lead to higher blood sugar levels the next day. Ginger tea also helps improve digestion and may support better glucose control by enhancing insulin sensitivity. Another benefit of herbal teas is that they are calorie-free and contain no added sugars, making them a safe alternative to sugary beverages. You can drink herbal tea in the morning or before bed. Adding natural ingredients like lemon or cinnamon can enhance both the flavor and the health benefits without increasing sugar levels. Moving on to number 4, black coffee. When consumed in moderation and without added sugar, black coffee can be beneficial for people with diabetes. It contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and may improve insulin sensitivity. Some studies suggest that regular coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. However, the key here is moderation. Drinking too much coffee can increase stress hormones like cortisol, which may raise blood sugar levels. It's also important to avoid adding sugar, flavored syrups, or high-calorie creamers, as these can quickly turn a healthy drink into a harmful one. A good approach is to limit coffee to 1 or 2 cups per day and drink it earlier in the day to avoid sleep disruption. If black coffee feels too strong, you can add a small amount of unsweetened almond milk or cinnamon for extra flavor without affecting blood sugar levels significantly. At number 3, vegetable juice. Fresh vegetable juices, especially those made from leafy greens like spinach, kale, and celery, are excellent for managing blood sugar. These vegetables are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. Unlike fruit juices, which can be high in natural sugars, vegetable juices have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. They also provide antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major concern for people with diabetes. You can make your own juice at home using ingredients like cucumber, spinach, celery, and a small amount of green apple for taste. Avoid store-bought juices that contain added sugars or preservatives. Drinking vegetable juice in the morning can help nourish your body and keep your blood sugar stable throughout the day. Next, at number 2, green tea. Green tea is one of the most recommended drinks for people with diabetes. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins that help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Green tea also helps boost metabolism and supports weight management, which is important because excess weight can worsen insulin resistance. Drinking green tea regularly may also reduce the risk of complications related to diabetes, such as heart disease. For best results, drink 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily. Avoid adding sugar or sweeteners. You can add a slice of lemon to enhance the taste and increase the antioxidant benefits. Green tea is a simple, affordable, and effective way to support your health if you have diabetes. Finally, at number 1, water. The most important drink for people with diabetes is plain water. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar through urine and keeps your blood sugar levels more stable. When you don't drink enough water, your blood sugar can become more concentrated, leading to higher levels. Proper hydration helps your body regulate glucose more effectively and reduces the risk of complications. Drinking water before meals may also help control appetite and prevent overeating, which is beneficial for managing diabetes. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, not just when you feel thirsty. A helpful tip is to carry a water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. You can also infuse your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing flavor without adding sugar. While focusing on these healthy drinks, it's equally important to avoid harmful ones. Sugary sodas, energy drinks, sweetened juices, and flavored coffees can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and should be limited or avoided completely. Consistency is the key to managing diabetes. Making small changes to your daily routine, like choosing the right drinks, can have a big impact over time. These simple habits can help you maintain stable blood sugar levels and improve your overall quality of life. Your health is in your hands, and every choice you make matters. By adding herbal tea, black coffee, vegetable juice, green tea, and water to your daily routine, you are taking a powerful step toward better diabetes management. Start today, stay consistent, and take control of your health.